Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 17th to 21st November 2025. So let's go straight to our chart first. So here on Friday in USD JPY we saw 0.01% negative move on 154.523 was the closing on Friday. So here I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be sharing some important support and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with the medium body and a small lower wick and a small upper wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is around overbought area, which is indicating as a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI, we should look for other factors that moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. In this one-day chart currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. We can see almost a good important support and resistance zones that we have already marked during a previous week analysis. So currently we don't need to mark anything. Let's straight talk about the closing first. Let me first zoom this so that you can see the clearly levels. I can see a good new level that is being formed this week, so I'll just mark that one and you can do the same as well on your chart. So currently let's now talk about the closing. So here 154.253 was the closing. Here the direct support is 154.422 and direct resistance is 154.843. After direct support there is a support of 154.126 and then 153.913. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 155.161 and then 155.438. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative move that is around in this range, that is 154.126 to 154.422. If you're looking for any long trade, then you can go for a long trade once 154.843 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed above this, then we can go for a long till 155.161. Overall, the trend is long-term trend is positive. Currently for this week, I am just expecting a slight negative move in this range. Overall, my expectation is a bit negative. What are your expectations for this week? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.